brain. 22 bones in a skull, 14 facial bones, 8 flat bones which are interlocked, 14 facial bones. This is space for eyes, this is space for nose, this is space for ears. Only lower jaw is movable. In a skull,
This is a pectoral girdle and it also called as collarbone. This is a scapulae and it also called as shoulder bone, shoulder blade. Our hands.
Hi, let's know about the rib cage. This is rib cage. This protects our heart and lungs. This is sternum at the front and at the back. Its ribs are thin and flat. These are called true ribs because it directly connect to the sternum. These are false ribs because it not directly connect to the sternum. Sternum also called breast. These two are floating ribs because they are floating. In our body, 24 ribs.
Do you know what is pelvic girdle? This is pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle protects for our kidney. Pelvic girdle connect to the backbone. Pelvic girdle is supposed to our legs. It's made of 3 bones. 1, 2, 3.
Now let's talk about limbs. There are 2 types of limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs. This is a humerus and this is radius and this is ulna. This is wrist and these are fingers. There are 27 bones in forelimbs.
Talk about hind limbs. The largest and strongest bone in our body is femur. Femur also called thigh bone, and this is knee. This is kneecap, and this is fibula, and this is tibia. This is our ankle joint. This is our toes. There are 26 bones in hind limbs.
Let's talk about joints. A point which two or more bones meet is called joints. We have 4 types of joints. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint is present in our shoulders. Hinge joint. Hinge joint is present in our elbow. We can move elbow upward and backward. Joint. Pivot joint. Pivot joint is present in our neck. We can rotate our skull round. Joint. Gliding joint is present in our wrist. We can glide our wrist backward and forward. Backward and forward. Thank you.
There are 3 types of muscles. Involuntary muscles. For example,
hand and legs.
voluntary muscles are in our control. Voluntary muscles, for example,
Heartbeat, breathing.
not in our control. For example,
Blood pressure.
there are 33 small bones. The backbone. This is our body framework. Our body 206 bones.